Belgium.
I'ma slow down. I can slow down. It don't make no sound. I need some more now. She wanna tap out. Living like two famo told me, boy, you better slow down. Done made it out so many fucked up places, I still don't know how. Pretty little bitch gon' fuck for free, she like to go down. When I get it, them cheat, no 1, 2, 3, she don't wanna tap out. So I took my piss when and bought me a chopper, so I'ma need more round. Try to sell my pride and put it to the side, but the shit won't go down. Gotta pour up ice, get way too hot for me to slow down. Won't sell my soap, sell anything, I need a stove now.
What up, to my king, queen, prince, and princess, man? It's your boy Court, aka YK Slim. Back at y'all with another video, man. Today I'm gonna do something a little different. Today I'm gonna go ahead and know it's been a while since I did one of these, but might as well start back doing one. Been wanting to do it for a while, but decided I'm gonna go ahead and do one today. But yes, I'm gonna go ahead. But you already seen the thumbnail, so yes, you can buy a vehicle from Amazon. So I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all how to do that though. I've been seeing people sharing and think it's a joke, but you can buy a vehicle from Amazon. And I'm gonna show you how to do it, man. If it's your first time to the channel, man, hit that subscribe button, man. Hit that like button. Hit that post notification bell also, man. I'm trying to hit 5,000 subscribers, man, so y'all help the boy get there. Appreciate everybody that been supporting me so far, man. Appreciate y'all, but yeah. Go ahead and jump into them and show y'all how to do it. And it's not a clickbait. It's just real. I'm going to go ahead and show you how to do it. So you can't go through the app. You already got the app on your phone. Most people do. So you have to go through the web browser. So once you go through the web browser, you're going to type in, you can type in buy a car from Amazon, or you can type in Amazon vehicle showroom. So once you type that in, it's going to pop up. You're going to click the link that they give you. Once you click that link, it's going to take you back to the app. So once you come back to the app, it's going to look like the normal app, but it's going to have the vehicles on the app. So it's not going to show like the stuff that you've been looking at and all that through Amazon. It's going to show you the vehicles, what vehicle they sell on Amazon. So let me go ahead and show y'all. So like once you click on the app, it's going to look just like it. Like I said, look just like the Amazon. You just shop for any normal thing, right? So you look down, you get to scrolling. You can see the vehicles that they sell through Amazon. So yeah, you see, it got Hyundai, Jeep, Nissan, Volvo, and stuff like that, right? So you can go through, click whatever vehicle you're searching for. They don't sell every vehicle through Amazon, so don't think they do. These the one that they sell on Amazon. They did have Dodge at one point. When I first seen this, Dodge was on here. So I don't know what happened with that, but yeah, Dodge was on here. And I'm gonna be honest with you, most of these vehicles are electric that they sell. Pay attention, everything really going electric right now. And I also feel like they're about to do away with the salesman too. So, man, word just finna change, man. Might well get ready to adapt to it. Most people don't like electric. Man, might well get ready, man. Every car brand got an electric car now. So yeah, man. But once you're on there, you can click on it. I click on this, take me to Hyundai, right? This how the Hyundai website look. So you see, I'm still on Amazon. So you scroll through these, just scroll up. These the one that you can buy. Buy Tucson and Santa Fe. These just Hyundai, a launcher and all that, right? Some are electric. They got some electric, some not electric. So you see, you scroll up and you want to go ahead and buy one. Say you buy this launcher. Click on the launcher, right? So I'm on the launcher. The launcher is $21,625, right? Okay. So the inside of first. Okay, yeah. So you can go through, just like you're on any other dealership website, look at the interior. You see, I'm still on Amazon now. This is still Amazon. So people think it's a joke, but nah, it's still Amazon. So go through, look at the interior, right? And scroll up. Okay, this is how you pick the car you want, right? So this is the SE that we're looking at. You got an SLE. You got the Limited also. So you pick the color of the car, whatever color that you want. So once you pick the color that you want, let's see, pick the color you want, then you pick the interior. So once you pick the interior, you can, I think you go back around and look at it again also. I think you look at the interior. Well, but say for instance I get this red to launch it, right? And I scroll up, boom, here go the price of the car now. So it's $28,750, right? See, this the limited. So it's just going through showing y'all, right? Like, this is real, man. It ain't no joke. So as you see the price of the car, right? Boom. So what you do now is, all right. So you scroll up. As you see, you can go through it, say contact dealer. So this is why I say you can buy a car through Amazon. I'm not saying you can put in your credit and all this stuff too. How many months you want to go, it's your turns and all that. You can finance or you can lease it. It's all up to you. You know, the better your credit score, more turns you scratch out, the lower your payment gonna be. Shorter term, bad credit, the higher your payment gonna be. So it's a normal process of buying a car, but now you're just buying it through Amazon. Same way you buy it through the dealer if you buying a car online. Same process. I just want y'all to see that the same step. So once you okay, like I said, so once you do this, you're doing 60 months, right? So you see it's a contact dealer. You still gotta send this through the dealership. You just can't go in there and be like, okay, I just bought a car. Amazon finna ship me a car. No, you going through a dealer. So let's go back. Everything, all of them not the same. All of them not the same, right? So I'm gonna tell you this how Jeep is. Jeep, a little different, kind of the same, but a little different. So there you gotta scroll all the way down, find the car that you want, just like you on the website itself also. So once you scroll down, you see all the Jeeps that they sell. They got the electric Jeep too also. You got the Grand Cherokee. You got Grand Cherokee L. So let's hit the Grand Cherokee. So now it take you through a web browser. So now you're on the left, Amazon, but it's still through Amazon. So now you're on the Jeep page itself, right? Same way you click all these. Like I said, Amazon really is a third party, man. You can't buy a car directly through Amazon. You can buy it through Amazon, but you can't buy it from Amazon. So people think you buy it from Amazon. No, you can't. It's just a third party that car dealerships are using now. Because so many people use Amazon. That's all it is. So let's say, for instance, I click this limit. Same way, man, if you want to build it, you can build it. Same way, if you never order a car online, this is how you order a car online. You build it. You can't pay for it online. Either you got to build a car, you got to send it through the dealership. Once you send it through the dealership got to bill it back over through their system and order the vehicle. They ain't going to wait for a little while and come back with a VIN number and all this stuff. Here, they let you know what the VIN number is. Once you get the VIN number, they let you know what the date should be for the car, for the vehicle to get there. So no, just because you build it online, that don't mean, oh, I can pay for it online. No, you still got to go through the process of you buying the car inside the dealership. Same thing. You just build it yourself right there in front of you. That's all it is. So, like I said, man, same thing, same process. You can add what you want to add on. You can take off what you want to take off on it. You want a technology package. 9 times out of 10, they don't come with a technology package. You got to add it yourself. So once you add all that on there, the motor the same in all these vehicles. So yeah, once you go through all that, like I said, same thing, you still got to contact the vehicle. You get to the end, boom, here it go. As you can see, find dealer. So you got to send it through the dealer. You got to go through the dealer. Either way it go, you do it through the website, Go through Amazon. Like I said, Amazon is just a third party. That's all it is. Third party. And Jeep, like I said, all of them different. You saw how Hyundai was. Jeep a little different also. So you go back again. We can go to, I see Lexus at the bottom. So Lexus might be getting added on. I don't know, man. I ain't gonna sit here and tell you a lie. But yeah, I see Lexus at the bottom. But that's how you order a vehicle through Amazon, not on Amazon. So no, you cannot purchase a vehicle on Amazon and Amazon gonna deliver your vehicle to your house. No, it don't work like that. You can go on Amazon like I just showed you, build your vehicle exactly how you want it and go through Amazon and send it to the dealer. I said Amazon just a third party that they going through. That's all it is. Third party. So, with that being said, man, I hope this was helpful to some of y'all. Hope it was. If it wasn't, sorry. I can't break it down a little more, but I think that was kind of everything you need to know, that you can get a vehicle through Amazon. So the stuff y'all been saying is not fake, it's real. You can do it. I've been seeing people posting like a little bit of Hot Wheel cars and stuff, saying this the car that they got from Amazon, they got tricked. Man, no, man, you can order this through Amazon, man. So like I said, you can't purchase from Amazon. Amazon, they're gonna deliver the vehicle to your front door. You can't do that. But you can go on Amazon, build your car how you want to build it. And you get it sent to the dealer will get it built. Once the dealer get everything put in, they get a VIN number back. They will contact you with the VIN number, let you know, okay, this is the VIN number for your vehicle. Once you get the VIN number, you should get a date back and say, hey, the vehicle will be ready on such and such day. Sometimes the vehicle come before that day though, but that's just the estimate time for it to be ready. So then after that, you got to go to the dealership, whatever dealership put your vehicle in, you got to go there and pick the vehicle up. Well, take that back. Don't think you just bought the vehicle. You still got to go through the process. You still got to go through the process of like you buying a car. Anyway, unless you're buying a car cash, but you still got to go through the process. You still got to go through finance and all this stuff because you buying a car from that dealer now. So if you finance, you still got to go through the credit check and all this stuff. So don't think you just buying a car, okay, I'm going to pay my money and leave. No, you still go through the process. So I said, man, first time to the channel, man, hit the subscribe button, hit that like button, man, hit that post notification bell. Your boy trying to hit 5,000 subscribers this year. You know I can do it with y'all help, man. One that been supporting me so far, I appreciate y'all. Y'all stay tuned for my next video. I got some stuff coming for the car, man, so y'all just stay tuned for that. I said, man, it's your boy Court, a.k.a. YK Slim.
I'ma slow down. I can slow down. It don't make no sound. I need some more now. She wanna tap out. Living like too fam, told me, boy, you better slow down. Done made it out so many fucked up places, I still don't know how. Pretty little bitch gon' fuck for free, she like to go down. When I get it, them cheat, no 1, 2, 3, she don't wanna tap out. So I took my piss when and bought me a chop, so I'ma need more round. Tryna sell my pride and put it to the side, but the shit won't go down.